Hello, Sharon here from Sharon's Tutorials. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you some quick Gmail keyboard shortcuts just to save you a little bit of time every now and then. I hope you find them helpful, and if you stay to the end I'm going to be showing you a real handy feature of Gmail that will help you if you forget any of the keyboard shortcuts, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching and let's get started. Okay, so first things first. You need to enable the keyboard shortcuts in order to use them. So to do that, go up to the cogwheel, the gear icon in the top right corner, and click on See All Settings. Scroll down until you get to one that's called Keyboard Shortcuts, which is this section here. Make sure Keyboard Shortcuts is on, and then scroll down to Save Changes if you've made the change. Once that's done, you can now start using keyboard shortcuts. So how do they work with regards to your everyday kind of emails? So let's say you want to write an email, compose an email, press C on your keyboard and it will open up the email for you here. So you'll notice that the cursor is automatically put into the To field. So you just type in the contact that you want, press Ctrl Shift and C to open up the copy field, the CC field, or press Ctrl Shift and B to do the BCC field. And just keep pressing the tab key to work your way through each one. So then it goes to the subject and then it goes into the main body of the email. Once you've typed out your email, press Ctrl and Enter to send. So that's how to do a new email. If you actually want to reply to an email that's come into you, so if we open this email here, press R to reply and type in your reply and Ctrl Enter to send. If you have an email that's come in and there's several people copied on that email and you want to reply to everybody, press A to reply to all. If you want to forward an email, press F to forward and just type in who you want to forward it to. And again, press Ctrl and Enter to send. So there are a few of the basic keyboard shortcuts that are available to you. So let's come out of here. So next we're going to look at keyboard shortcuts to do with formatting the actual email. So once you have an email open in the Compose box here, use the standard keyboard shortcuts that are available to all applications, the Ctrl B, Ctrl I, etc. So Ctrl B will put things in bold. Ctrl I would put things in italics. Ctrl U will underline. You then have the keyboard shortcut for undo, which is Ctrl Z. That will undo the last action. And you have Ctrl Y to redo the last action. If you want to start making a numbered list, press Ctrl Shift and 7 and it will automatically number. If you want to do a bulleted list, press Ctrl Shift and 8 and that will automatically give you bullet points. If you want to insert a quote, Ctrl Shift and 9 will do that. So you get the actual quote, the line. Next we look at the alignment of the text. So Ctrl Shift and L is to align the text to the left. Ctrl Shift and R would align it to the right, as you can see here. And Ctrl Shift and E would center everything. If you want to remove all the formatting in your email, highlight everything and Ctrl and backslash will clear all formatting, as you can see. If you want to insert a hyperlink, copy the URL from the website you want it to go to and press Ctrl K, and there you insert the hyperlink into there. They're pretty standard keyboard shortcuts that you would use across most Microsoft applications as well. Now we'll look at the navigation. So if you have pages of emails, a quick way of going to the next page of your email list is to press G followed by N for next page, go to next page. And again, if you want to go back to the previous page, then it would be G for go to and P for previous page. If we have an email open here and you want to go back to the thread list, in this case it would be the actual inbox, then you press U and it will take you back. Again, if you're in an email here and you want to go to an older conversation, press J and it will take you back to an older conversation in your emails. And if you want to go to the newer conversation, press K. To open the conversation, press either O to open or Enter and that will open it as well. So they're just some quick navigation ones. So I mentioned earlier my top tip for when you forget those little pesky keyboard shortcuts, and this is it. When you're in your actual inbox, so you're not in an actual email itself, you're just in your inbox, if you press Shift and the question mark together, it opens up all of the keyboard shortcuts. How handy is that for you? And you just scroll down and they're all in individual sections as well to make it easier to look at. And you can open it in a new window if you want to, It's just really, really handy to know. So again, shift and question mark when you're in your actual inbox, and this will bring up everything for you. So I hope you found this helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and until next time, happy learning.